Pardon?
Yep.
Hey, so back in Cali, we're about to get on the bird in the next hour. Gummy bear take 2.
Turn on these lights.
How do you turn on those lights?
The middle.
Alright, so here it goes. You gotta get filmed like who would do it this time. This is really squishy compared to last time.
Sick.
This is orange. Are you ready?
Oh.
Are you ready?
How much did you get? Oh my!
You bit the head off.
Look at the gummy bear.
Look at me. It's good? No?
Very good.
It's really good?
Really.
Chewy?
Gooey.
Chewy. Is it worth it?
Eat the rest when you land.
Mm-hmm.